Alright guys, we'll start another little video here on fishing with a heart. Keep getting all these little bitty sunfish out of here, little bluegills. And got a little bass a while ago. I'm just filling this little creek over here. Got a little fluorescent little jig on my line here. It's going good. Keep knocking them out of here. If I'm not throwing in, I get a nibble. And they're hitting a lot of little ones in here. This little creek's kind of locked in from a bigger part of the stream over there. Spillway here goes under the freeway. I'm over here at 114 and Riverside. 114 and Washington Boulevard here. And there's one up there. Oh, there's one. Got him. Come on, buddy. Don't go in the weeds. Don't go in the weeds. Don't go in the weeds. Get over here. Get out of the weeds. Yeah. I like to go in the weeds. You're like, I want to get in the weeds, and you won't get me. But I got you. Come here, give me that. Give me that slimy little fella. There we go. Look at that. Pretty little guy, little bitty thing. Real pretty. Pretty colors. The orange on those fins. Yeah. Nice little bluegill. We'll put him back, guys. That's what we do on Fishing with a Heart. We put him back. All right, good job. Yep, they're active in this little creek here. You know, it's fun getting in here and catching these little dinks all day long out of here. It's fun. They're fun to fish for, fun to catch. They put up a good fight. They're smart. When they get hooked, they like to go to the weeds and try to get them let go. And I'm right in some bush here. Uh-oh, I'm right in the little bushes. Sitting right here. Let me fix this real quick. There we go, right there. There we go. Got fixed here. I don't know about the legalities of fishing over here in this little stream by this business complex, but we'll find out soon enough. I parked up here against the building, but I'm on the inside of the fire lane, so I'm not blocking the fire lane. Nobody's messed with my truck so far. Offices don't look very populated. There's a bite there. There's a sink down to the bottom. So right in here, it gets deeper in the middle, right here. And they like to hide down in there in the weeds. They'll come out and hit you. You know, we'll peck at it. A lot of them do. Yeah, they're sitting right up in there. Every time I throw right there, I get a bite. Immediately I put it in. And throw it right back out there again. Right there. Nothing that time. They say if you fish in a spot for too long, you're not getting any bites, you need to move along. But there's fish in here, I know it. Yesterday I caught a nice little largemouth out of here, about 1.5 pounds. Put him right back over there. There we go. Yeah, there's a little peck right there. A peck on the cheek. hitting alongside this bank right here too, but I guess they moved along. Yeah. Toss on over to the other side here. There we go. See what I get right here. Good bite. Alright, let's do that again, fella. Algae and stuff. Spinach, I call it. Yep, nothing there. Oh, wait, oh, there you are, look at that. He came right out of the side. Oh, a little largemouth. That little fella. Not big at all. Here, let me get you off here, buddy. Just, oh, come on, it's okay. I got you. I got you, little buddy. Yeah, be nice. I'll be nice. I'll let you go. Right to the bottom lip. I hooked him. There we are. Little bitty fella. Look at that. Little bitty largemouth. Yep. Say bye-bye. Go back in there. Go grow up next to your friends down there. That's pretty good. Just gonna keep doing this all day here until it starts raining on me. Rain's supposed to come in at about 5 o'clock. Up in some leaves there. So I don't know. The last time the forecast said rain was coming through, it didn't happen. So we'll see. We shall see. Met a guy the other day called Mr. Slab Hunter. Ran across him fishing in the canals here in Las Colinas. He's got a YouTube channel too. Guys, check him out. Saw him the other day, and he was catching a bunch of crappie. He's got some good stuff on his channel. That's kind of the same thing that I do, is go around these little channels here in Las Colinas and fish all these little canals and streams and everything up in here where you can. Some places you can't, you get in trouble, like Lake Carolyn and all around over in there. And a bunch of fish in these ponds: crappie, bass, bluegill, sunfish, catfish, big catfish, flatheads, gar. It's a big gar in the Trinity over there. So yeah, it's a fun time. Relaxing. This whole COVID thing, it's fun to get out here just to relax and go fish. You know, I started my channel because I'm a nurse and I work in a cath lab, so that's why my name is Fishing with a Heart. I work in a cath lab, and that's where we do heart casts and things like that. People are familiar with that. People have heart attacks and things. So this is kind of a way that I can come out here and de-stress and relax. Some days it's pretty hectic at work. This is a nice way to come in and get rid of a lot of that stress. I love what I do. There we go, little bitty buddy. Come here. Oh man. Come here, buddy. Come here. Yeah. Oh no. Look. Little bitty fella. He's trying to be big and brave like all his other buddies. I'm gonna get him back in the water. Come on, buddy. There you go. Oh yeah. like I said, it's a good way to come out here and unwind. Some days are bad days at work. Some days are good days. But no matter how bad a day you had at work, it's always a good day fishing, whether you catch them or not. Well, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. I'm going to take off. Got to get home, get things ready for dinner. But it's been fun out here with you guys today. Check out my channel. Like I said, click subscribe. It's Fishing with a Heart. We'll see y'all later.